Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Nutrinova TV, your trusted source for all things health and nutrition. Have you ever considered giving up your beloved dairy and meat treats for a plant-based lifestyle? You're not alone. Today, a growing number of people are choosing to go vegan, not just for their health, but also for environmental sustainability and animal welfare. Are you curious about what happens to your body when you switch to a plant-based diet? If you've ever wondered about the physical and health transformations that occur when you leave behind meat and dairy, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore the changes you can expect to see and feel within just 1 month of adopting a vegan lifestyle. Let's dive into this journey together. Before we delve into the changes you might experience, let's first define what a vegan diet entails. A vegan diet excludes all forms of animal products. This means no meat, dairy, eggs, and often other animal-derived substances, such as gelatin and honey. Instead, the diet focuses on fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. It's not just about avoiding animal products, though. It's also about embracing a variety of whole, plant-based foods that nourish your body and provide essential nutrients. Whether for ethical, environmental, or health reasons, going vegan can be a transformative lifestyle choice. Today, we'll uncover how this diet might affect your body, from your metabolism to your skin health and even your energy levels. Stay tuned as we explore the profound impacts of plant-based living. Body changes. Week 1. In the initial week of your vegan journey, navigating your new diet can feel a bit daunting. Many newcomers, myself included, might find themselves relying heavily on high-fat plant foods, such as nuts and avocados, to fill the void left by animal products. This is a common trap that can unbalance your meals. As the week progresses, you may also encounter the challenge of ensuring you're getting a wide variety of nutrients, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Despite my efforts to reduce my intake of fats and upsize my meal portions with more vegetables and whole grains, I still experienced a significant amount of fatigue. This fatigue is quite typical as your body begins to adjust to a new way of sourcing energy, replacing the quick fixes from sugar and certain fats with more sustainable, plant-based options. By the end of the week, even with these dietary adjustments, that feeling of being unusually tired lingered, signaling that my body was still adapting to the significant change in its fuel source. Body changes. Week 2. As I ventured into the second week of my vegan transition, the initial fatigue I felt persisted for a bit longer. However, I began to notice a promising shift towards the end of the tunnel. My body gradually started to adapt to the new diet, particularly the increase in fiber-rich foods like legumes, whole grains, and a variety of vegetables. This adjustment phase brought its own set of challenges, notably bloating and gas, which is quite common when you significantly up your intake of dietary fiber. These symptoms can be uncomfortable and a bit disconcerting, but they are a normal part of the body's adjustment process. Importantly, these digestive issues started to alleviate significantly as the week progressed. By sticking to my new eating habits and ensuring I stayed hydrated, I not only saw an improvement in these symptoms, but also experienced a noticeable boost in my energy levels. Towards the end of the week, it felt like my body had begun to embrace the plant-based fuel, and I was feeling more revitalized and ready to tackle my days with renewed vigor. Body changes. Week 3. Week 3 marked a significant turning point in my plant-based journey. The bloating had completely subsided, and I was infused with an abundance of energy. Mornings were no longer a struggle. In fact, waking up had become a more refreshing experience. I felt a newfound lightness and vitality, ready to jump out of bed and get moving. The positive impact of consistently consuming a diet laden with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains was undeniable. It's truly remarkable to witness how swiftly and effectively the body can adjust to a healthier eating pattern. This week also brought an increase in mental clarity and an overall sense of well-being that permeated my daily activities. I found myself more active, engaging in physical activities with ease, and maintaining high energy levels throughout the day. The nutrient-dense, plant-based foods were doing their magic, fueling my body optimally, and proving that a well-planned vegan diet could support active, energetic living. Body changes, week 4. The 4th week of adopting a vegan diet brought profound transformations, particularly noticeable in my skin health. My complexion, which had previously shown signs of occasional blemishes and dullness, transformed into a clear, radiant surface, glowing with health. The nutrient-rich, plant-based foods packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants made a visible difference, rejuvenating my skin more than any product or regimen I had tried in the past. Additionally, this week marked a subtle yet encouraging reduction in my weight. This change wasn't abrupt, but was a gradual and healthy adjustment reflecting the lower calorie intake of my new diet. By replacing high-fat, high-calorie foods with dense, nutrient-packed alternatives like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, my body began to shed excess weight naturally and sustainably. The shift to a plant-based diet not only contributed to a more youthful skin appearance, but also an overall leaner physique, showcasing the dual benefits of this lifestyle change on both external appearance and internal health. Additional benefits. As we extend beyond the initial month, the long-term benefits of a vegan diet become increasingly apparent. Continuing on this path can significantly boost your physical performance, enhancing endurance and strength. This diet, rich in whole foods and plant-based proteins, supports muscle recovery and overall bodily function. Moreover, a profound shift often occurs in the way we perceive and relate to food. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can deepen your understanding of nutrition's impact on well-being, leading to more mindful eating practices. It's not merely about the meals we consume, but also about fostering a holistic approach to health that equally nourishes the mind and soul. Embracing this way of life doesn't just change what's on your plate, it transforms your entire approach to living well. So, are you feeling inspired to embrace the vegan lifestyle and experience its transformative benefits firsthand? Whether you're considering this change for a month, contemplating it as a permanent shift, or just curious about the possibilities, it's a proactive step towards better health and a more sustainable world. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to Nutrinova TV, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health insights. We're eager to hear about your vegan journey or any questions you might have. Drop us a comment below and let's start a conversation. Thanks so much for tuning in. Keep watching for more innovative ways to enhance your health and make a positive impact on our planet. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and motivated.